Hello everyone. In this video, we are looking into the department's content type, its different pages, sub-pages, and how to generate a new basic page within its department, and what are the things that we should remember while creating a department's content type. So let's look into one of the existing contents, that is physiology department. We have this as a basic department page, then its subsequent announcement, directory, events, news, and a basic page undergraduate programs. So let's create one of the uh, content type, that is department. So for that we go to content, add content, department, and I will take one of the existing site from KPU site, which is of computer engineering and informatics. Then we select a language to English. This is very important thing to remember while creating a department page. The language should be always be in English when we first create it. The reason behind this is when we create this department page, it will not only create a page but also it has its URL, and the URL needs to be being formatted on English language so that while we translate this page would be reflected on Dari and Pashto language as well. So please do not forget to select the language English when you create a department content. And then I will grab some of the contents from KPU site, paste it, and when you are copying pasting from other resources, you'll see that these are not formatted as a list, so you need to select those text and then use WYSIWYG editor to format it properly so it displays the content of the text properly on our pages. So after you fill out this body, we have another FAQs. If you have general FAQs for your department page, you can enter it, and if you have more than one, then you can click on add another item button to add more than one items. So after you're done with this, either you can preview it or save it. For now, we'll save this computer engineering and informatics department page. Once we save this, we'll be seeing some of the few pages that has been automatically generated by the system, that are announcement, directory, events, and news. And these are the views that has been already created, and for now there are not a single items associated with this um, content type. So in the later video I'll show you how to tag the news, events, directory, and announcement so that it would be reflected on your department page as same as this physiology department announcement page. Okay, so I'll go ahead and translate this page into one of the languages that we have, that's either Dari and Pashto. So for that, I need to click on this add translation. I got its translated content, and then I will just change its title as well, and then save it. Once I save this, now we have this content, computer engineering and informatics, both in English and in Pashto language. And in order to go back to the English, we'll just switch the English and it will take us to its corresponding site. Now let's say we need to add more pages to this computer engineering informatics department. For example, let's we need to have undergraduate programs for this department. Then we need to go to content, add content. We'll add a basic page and we will give it a title, undergraduate programs, and also remember to select the language English. And here we'll be selecting which department should this basic piece should be reflected to. So we'll choose computer engineering and informatics and then save it. And here we go, we have this undergraduate programs. And let me edit this. So give it a body like this. This is in English, and we'll be translating this content into one of the language and check if it would be shown in its subsequent pages. We'll go translate, add translation, undergraduate programs, as2, and then save it. Now we have this undergraduate program Pass2 in Pass2 language as well as in English. So let me edit this. We forget to change its body. So this is in Pass2. And then we'll go and hit save. Once it's saved, let's back to the our department's page, an announcement, and see if it's there. Okay, so now this is automatically populated on our computer engineering informatics announcement page. So similarly, let's look into a directory and tag it with our department. So let's click on this, click on edit, and select computer engineering and informatics and save. So after saving that, we should be able to see this professor on our computer engineering and informatics department's directory page. And here we have it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.